Hello friends, I hope you and your family are safe and well. Last lectures we have discussed about the fire insurance claim. Now friends, we have discussed the fire insurance claim. Whenever any company produce the goods, they have factory go down, and in that particular factory and go down they store goods. Some goods are raw material, some goods are finished goods, and finished goods are not sent for selling purpose. Such type of goods are available. Now what happened? Any un- uncertain circumstances happen. Uncertain circumstances means the fire occurred in the godown, fire occurred in the premises or factory, offices, and many businessmen, many manufacturers suffer the losses. Now, such losses, minimize such losses, they cannot bear. Therefore, it is one of the important concept, that is fire insurance. If they take the fire insurance, they can protect the losses. The insurance, it's just like a protection, and they can claim the insurance company for the purpose of mitigation of the losses, minimization of the losses. In that we have discussed various things about our study point of view. We have discussed accounting point of view also. So let us discuss about one of the important concept about the fire insurance claim. We have discussed in our last lecture, YouTube lecture, about the fire insurance claim. In that we have discussed what you mean by and what are the needs of the fire insurance. Then we have discussed about the why we are claim for loss of the stock, and there are certain steps how to calculate stock loss by fire. Then we have discussed about the procedure of the computing the claim, what will be the formula we have to use. Now friends, whenever we will talk about the percentage of the gross profit, now whenever we have to determine the gross profit to the sales, why we have to determine? Because we should know about the how much amount of loss occurred, and for that purpose we will prepare trading account. In our trading account we will write the stock includes the raw material, work in progress, finished goods, and in the absence of the clear information regarding the finished goods, that time we have to use the stock at cost only. If any other basis of is given, it is converted into cost. Then we have to show purchases less returns, then wages, manufacturing expenses, and then sales and gross profit. These are the items we will record. We will prepare memorandum trading account. We have to find out how much amount of goods destroyed by fire, and for that purpose we will prepare memorandum trading account. It is prepared up to the date of fire by collecting amount in respect of the opening stock, purchases, direct expenses, and sales from the record. In case the record is destroyed by the fire, that time information can made available from documentary evidence. and balancing figure in credit side of the memorandum trading account, it is estimated that the value of stock on the date of fire, value of the stock on the date of fire, we find out. So therefore, we will prepare memorandum trading account. The memorandum trading account basic purpose to find out the stock on the date of fire, and for that purpose we will prepare. Now friends, we will discuss one by one the items which are recorded in the memorandum trading account. And while preparing the memorandum trading account, following points should be considered. First of all, we should consider the period. This accounting is prepared for the period from the last day of the account to the date of file. In our problem, they will give this kinds of information last year's beginning. Now this year beginning to the date of file. Then we will record the opening stock. It should be on cost basis. We will record it purchases. It means opening to the date of fire, how much amount of goods purchased, we will record it. If it is a return is there, we will deduct it. So for that purpose we will prepare creditors account and we will find out the purchases. Sometime purchases we will deduct the goods included in the purchases but not actual received. Some we will deduct the purchase of the assets. We have to add it the unrecorded purchases. We will deduct the purchase returns, and whatever amount come of the purchases we have to show in our trading account. Now creditors we have to prepare. Why we prepare the creditors? To find out the purchases. To find out the purchase. Creditor is a liability. Opening balance by balance brought down. Always credit side. By balance brought down. It is always credit side of the account. By balance brought down. It is the opening balance. And to balance carried down, it is a closing balance. Then payment to the creditors. Creditors means supplier. Those who supply the goods, those who supply the raw materials. Now company pay the amount to the creditors to bank account. Sometimes creditors give the discount, so it is credited to discount account. Sometimes we have to give the bills payable, and purchase return, it is debited, and bill dishonor, it is credited. Bill endorse means transfer, so we have to put as a debtors account, endorse the bill dishonor. And after this we have to close the debit balance and we have to find out the balancing figure. Whatever balancing figure come, it will be considered as a purchases. So creditor account we will prepare to find out the purchases balance. Now sales. Sales should be for the period from the last day of account to the date of fire. It means opening sale to the date of fire sale, that we will record it. The goods include in the above sales but not deliver should be deducted from the sales. Some misappropriate cash sales and the goods delivered but not recorded should be added to the sales. And how we will calculate the sales value? Sales, we will deduct the goods sold but not deliver, less sale of the goods, and we have to add it the unrecorded sales, and less sales return. Whatever amount come, sales to credit side we have to record. Now we have to find out the sales. For that purpose we have to prepare the debtor account and to find out the sales balance. Always debtors account is the opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side. Creditors we have to show endorse the bill dishonor. Any expenses we have to show a cash. Bill receivable dishonor we have to show debit side. If it is the honor credit side, sales return we have to show, and all expenses related to the sales. Bad debts, discount, it is expenses. If you receive the amount from the debtors, we have to show credit side, and we have to close the balance debtors and buy balance carried down. Why we prepared account? To find out the sales figure. So friends, I hope you understood the debtors and creditors balance we will prepare.